What's this, Diego? What is it? What is it? What is it? What is it?
He can't open it.
What is it?
Come on, Diego.
What is it?
He did that last year too.
What is it? Is it a bone? You got a bone? Do you get a bone, Diego? Where's your bone?
Give a little help, hon.
Just rip off the top half. Just rip off the top half.
Oh, look. Yay!
Watch our coffees.
So big for him.
It's almost as long as he is.
I know.
You got a bone, Diego? What are you gonna do with your bone? What are you gonna do with your bone, Diego?
Look at his tail.
Jay, what are you gonna do with your bone? What are you gonna do? What are you gonna do with your bone?
He doesn't
You're
even know
trying to
where to
hide it?
start.
Oh, you know that commercial with the dog with the bone, putting it in the bank bowl?
Yeah.
Here, try to like pick it up something.
Not that side, he's gonna point.
No, Cody, not you.
I got your bone. I got your bone. I got your bone.
Alright, you guys on.
All right, he's a happy boy.